This is to show you how to run the DSG report. Basically, we want to pull people who gave to a DSG campaign, and they are sustainers. So it's a little wonky the way I have to pull it, but this is the way I do it. So the report is DSG TM revenue report, and we need everyone from the last calendar year, and their campaign equals contains DSG. So I'm going to export this. Okay, and then we have to change the report. So I'm going into the edit mode. And now we're going to X this out and add a different criteria. We want to pull everybody who gave a sustaining gift. So campaign type equals sustainer. So this is going to be a big report. It's going to pull literally everybody who gave a sustaining gift, no matter how they came in, DSG, online, whatever. So I'm going to run this. I'm going to pause it because this will be a big report. Okay, so the sustainer report ran and I exported it. So what we want to do, out of this long list, of sustainers. Did I delete that? We want to see who of these guys are also on the DSG report. So we're going to do a VLOOKUP. So by the constituent ID, and grab it from here. And I'm just pulling their dollar amount from the DSG gift. But you could really pull any column. We're not using it. Is DSG. Alright, so I'm going to paste this column as a value, so it's not a formula anymore. And let's sort this by the first column. Okay, so anyone with a dollar amount means that they're also on the DSG report. So we don't need these people. These are just sustainers who came in any other way. Okay, so this is the group. I'm actually going to delete the first column, the VLOOKUP. We don't need it. So now we want to copy and paste all of these sustaining gifts onto the DSG report. So let's scroll to the bottom and paste all the sustaining gifts. So then we're actually done, but let me sort it by constituent name just to make it clearer what I did. Primary contact. So if they're listed once, that means they gave a single gift to DSG, which is important to know. Same with her. But this person, here's her initial gift to the T-mail code on April 4th. And then these are all the subsequent donations. Okay? And same with this person. Oh, they made two telemarketing three telemarketing ones. Okay, that's a bit of an aberration. Oh, no, I'm sorry. I was looking at the wrong person. So same thing. Here's their T-mail code, then all their subsequents. And that's it.